Surprising health benefits of cottage cheese. The health benefits of cottage cheese includes weight loss, a good supply of protein, B-complex vitamins and healthy fats, and reduced risk of breast cancer. Cottage cheese is also a good source of various minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, and selenium, which all play a vital role in many of the body functions. Reduced risk of breast cancer. The calcium and vitamin D found in dairy products, especially in cottage cheese, reduces the risk of breast cancer. Research conducted at Harvard School of Public Health by Shin et al. Found that in case of premenopausal women, the level of calcium and vitamin D actually help in reducing the risk of breast cancer. Rich in protein. One of the biggest benefits of cottage cheese is the amount of casein protein found in it. It is believed that cow's milk contains the highest amount of casein protein among various milks. The amount of protein contained in cottage cheese is ideal for vegetarians in supplying them with the required amount of daily protein. Best foods for pregnant women. Cottage cheese is recommended for pregnant women along with athletes due to various essential nutrients found in it. For example, pregnant women need calcium and cottage cheese is a very good source for it. Cottage cheese also contains phosphorus, which is an important animal found in bones that is also recommended during the pregnancy. Rich source of B-complex vitamins. B-complex vitamins found in cottage cheese are helpful in various metabolic activities in our bodies. Some of them include vitamin B12, riboflavin, pantothenic acids, thiamine, niacin, and folate. Prevents strokes and controls anxiety. Apart from other nutrients, cottage cheese also contains potassium. Potassium acts as a fluid balancing element in the body and it is an important component in neural activities of the muscle and the brain. It also relieves muscle cramps. Intake of potassium on regular basis prevents the risk of getting brain stroke, since it lowers the blood pressure and contractions of the vessels. Improves biological functions. Zinc found in cottage cheese is about 4% of the daily recommended value. In the human body, it is found in the brain, muscles, bone, kidney, liver, prostate, and eyes. It helps in metabolism of DNA and RNA. Zinc is one of the trace elements whose presence in our body helps in improving the immune system, digestion, diabetes controls, fight stress and anxiety, improve digestion. Cottage cheese contains phosphorus, which plays a major role in formation of DNA and RNA. It is a major component in forming bone along with calcium. Phosphate also helps in digestion, excretion, and in production and extraction of energy in the cells. Antioxidant properties. Selenium is a trace element found in the cottage cheese. It is required in very small quantities, no more than 50 mcg to 70 mcg in adults. Selenium is useful as an antioxidant that protects cells and DNA from damage. It is also believed that an optimum intake of selenium-rich food reduces the risk of prostate cancer.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.